My name's Mike with Food with Bare Hands, and this is Oakley, and we're gonna show you how to make a pulled pork sandwich using our Green Mountain Grill smoker. Let me show you. Here we have two 10-pound pork butts. We're first gonna score the skin. This is gonna help absorb more rub into more areas of the pork butt. Next, we're gonna put a habanero mustard on as a binder, but any mustard, hot sauce, whatever you like will work just fine. Coat the entire pork butt, then add your favorite rub. Or you can make a simple rub using brown sugar, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Next, let's get our Green Mountain Grill smoker. It is set at 250 degrees, and we're gonna put foil pans underneath to catch any of the drippings from the pork butt during the smoking process. Note that each pound of meat will be about 1 hour of cooking time. So this cook will roughly be about 10 hours. Spritz every hour with equal parts apple cider vinegar and apple juice. This is what they look like after about 5 hours of smoke. I put the internal temp gauges inside so that I can track my internal temps. All right, it's about 8 p.m. We're about 165. This is what we're looking at. Great bark, great color, 165. We're gonna put in these foil tins and wrap them up. You can see pretty good color on that. But we're gonna throw that inside this foil tin. Put the foil right on top. Give it a little spritz before with our juices. Keep this. So we just got to 201. I'm gonna pull out that probe. Just know, look how much juice comes out of this bad boy. When that internal temp reaches about 201, 205, that's when most of the fat will get rendered down. Then make sure you rest your pork butt for about 1 hour. Then let's build a sandwich. Gonna add a black truffle hot sauce. Add in our pulled pork. Put a generous amount of that on there. Gonna make a super easy slaw. Has mayo, mustard, salt, pepper, some lemon juice, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Mix all that around. Put a little bit salt, pepper, garlic. Put that on top. Next, we're gonna add some pickled onions. Gonna add a little bit more of that truffled hot sauce. Oh yeah. Top it off with my toasted bun. Remember people, eat with your bare hands, no forks given. Follow Green Mountain Grills for more and let us know what you think in the comments.